All right.
Yeah, looks good. So are you good to go?
Yeah. Are you gonna drive up to the signal and make a right turn? Just look out for the cones on your left when you exit.
All right. Is there a parking brake anywhere?
It's not set. It's a foot brake.
Oh, okay.
And make a right at the light.
Yeah.
So what do you normally drive?
Camry and RAV4.
Oh, you're in the family already.
Oh yeah, yeah. So we've had these vehicles for a long time. So.
Have you ever driven a hybrid before?
No, that's the thing. What is the gas mileage on this thing?
This will get you 29 in the city, 27 on the highway.
Yep.
Combined average of 28 miles to a gallon.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And those are government EPA ratings, which tend to be conservative.
Oh,
so
okay.
Typically, you may be able to get 2 or 3 better on each of those numbers.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a 2019 Highlander hybrid limited platinum.
Okay.
Making this the top of the line for the Highlander hybrid.
Okay. So will this be around like 50 grand-ish?
Exactly.
Okay.
50, 487
Okay.
is the sticker on this one, MSRP.
Okay.
A base model Highlander does start around 31.
Oh, okay.
Keep going.
Okay.
Base model hybrid starts at about 37.
Okay.
This one, top of the line, 50, 487.
So under this is a V6 hybrid, not a 4-cylinder hybrid, right?
This is a V6, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
306 combined horsepower.
Okay.
At this next light, you make a right.
Okay.
Fully loaded, this has heated and cooled seats here in the front, heated on the second row, and with the third row back there, you can fit up to 7 people.
Okay.
Unless you have the bench seat on that second row, which comes standard, by the way.
Okay.
A bench, then you can fit 8 people.
Oh, okay. Captain's chairs are optional, or they're like
that's
cost
an
more?
option.
Okay.
That's about $500 or $600 more for the captains.
Okay. Just for some chairs, or do you get like a little more equipment for that?
Just with the seats.
Okay.
If you have the captains, that makes it easier
To climb in
access
back.
the third row.
Okay.
You're holding on to a heated steering wheel there.
Yep, it feels warm. Or is it even off?
Just follow that silver Nissan there.
Alright.
And then right over here.
Okay.
Safety features here include blind spot monitoring. It's got lane departure warning with lane keep assist. Rear cross traffic alert. Are you familiar with that?
Yeah, pretty much heard of. Well, it's pretty much in all Toyota products now.
And the one I like most is the radar cruise control.
Okay.
Advanced, or rather adaptive cruise control.
Yeah.
Push that button over there on the left. It says view.
View. Oh, okay. 360.
360 surround view camera, front, back, and sides. Now that's only viewable at very low speeds.
Like 3 miles an hour.
Well, actually, once you reach 10 miles an hour, it's going to turn off.
Okay.
So it is more or less for parking situations.
Okay. So can we try EV mode a little bit later?
Sure.
Yeah. So does it stop after like a couple of miles per hour, or is it just for parking lot situations type of thing for EV mode?
Well, let's give it a try.
complete stop. Maybe there's not enough charge or something.
Yeah, I don't know why that's happening. iPod, 2 USBs and a power port. Inside this armrest, there's another power port. In back of the center console, you got another power port, 2 USBs, and a 115 volt outlet.
Okay.
So you can blow dry your hair on the way to work. Full panoramic sunroof. Did you notice that?
Oh yeah.
And then, of course, in the back is the rear power liftgate.
That's standard on pretty much every trim, right? Except for the LE.
Maybe mid to higher trim levels for the power liftgate.
Okay. So does this have a J VIN or a US VIN or a 5 VIN? Or should it say? Just wondering if the hybrids are made in Japan.
Behind the Camry there.
Okay.
Actually made in the U.S. in Indiana.
Yep. Okay.
And I'm sure that's a U.S. VIN.
Yeah, 5. It's in Indiana or something.
Right here's going to be good.
Oh, okay.
So that'll do it, gentlemen.
All right. Thanks.
You're welcome. And don't forget your bag.
Yep. All right. Thank you.